Hey there, savvy bookkeepers. It's Trudy from Maven. Have you ever been called stoic and you took offense? After all, you have a charming personality, and your outgoing can do attitude cannot be misconstrued as stiff or unyielding. So maybe it means something different. What do we mean when we refer to someone as stoic in the lowercase versus the uppercase version? Today, we're going to separate the myth from the mindset. We're diving deeply into the difference between uppercase and lowercase stoicism and which one will keep your business calm and focused while the other just might be bottling it all up. So, stoic with a small s. That's that person who doesn't flinch, never cries, doesn't say a thing. It's the silent soldier, that I'm fine face. Client ghosts them, they're okay, they shrug it off, they chalk it up to a bad day, a bad client, maybe bad timing, but they don't take action. That project scope tripled overnight, they bite their tongue, they roll with it, they suffer and scream in silence, and again, they take no action. So you see the trend, they stuff it all down as if it's not reality, and they soldier on. But what kind of mental gymnastics will that be when the shit hits the fan? Because that kind of stoicism is just emotional duct tape. And one way or the other, that always is what happens. The shit hits the fan, and then it gets messy. Now let's talk about stoic with a capital S, of the ancient Greek variety. Now, if you've been following along, you already know that stoicism is the practice of owning your control and ignoring the external and uncontrollable. Stoics feel things, they just don't let feelings steer their ship. They lose a client, they grieve. Damn it. They reflect. What could I have done differently? And then they regroup. Set new standards to eliminate a repeat. A team member messes up. That's okay. They address it without losing their cool, because in every single situation, they repeatedly ask, what can I control? What's outside of my control? And what's the most virtuous response? That's not stuffing it down. That's channeling it. That's clarity, and clarity is power. We can't hide away, and even if we could, time won't stand still waiting for us. Practicing stoicism with the capital S actually helps you navigate every aspect of your business with that level of clarity. Here's the part you need to know. Stoicism does support a kind of compartmentalization, but not the avoidance variety. Not the I'll deal with that later and put it in the drawer full of all your mental junk. We're not talking about that. We're talking about the kind that keeps your business running with a clear head. Your client drama, leave it outside of your pricing conversation. It doesn't belong there. Your tech stress, don't bring that into a discovery call. Leave it compartmentalized where it belongs. That's not being cold, that's being composed. So this week, try this. Before every big task or decision, ask yourself, what's mine to carry here and what isn't? Let the rest stay in its lane. That's not detachment, that's discipline, and that is the mark of a true stoic with a capital S. If this has helped you breathe a little deeper, then please share it with a fellow maven. If you're not familiar with stoicism, please check out episode 6, The Serenity Prayer in Business, and episode 7, Stoicism and Bookkeeping. And if you're ready to trade drama for discipline, please subscribe for more Stoic Maven. And if you've got another 4 minutes, let's do another episode. Up next, coach or consultant? Which is which, why it matters, which are you receiving, and which will you be giving? Let's check that out together.